Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Olivia 90. This machine was brought in because it was leaking around the steam assembly up here. The steam knob was cracked and needed replacement, and no hot water was coming out of the wand. It was clogged. And we also did a general tune-up as well, replacing the group screen, the gasket, running a descale cycle, and cleaning all around. We found that actually the hot water assembly that goes from the boiler to the valve here was seriously clogged, and we had to soak it in citric acid for a while and kind of slowly scrub and break it out. And we tightened up the bolts over here to keep the steam wand from leaking, and now everything is working fine as it should. And we'll test the features. Start with some hot water. Hear it and see the steam, good flow. Maybe we can do it like this. Yeah. Alright, get a little steam action over here. Beautiful. And now we will pull it shut. Got the automatic buttons here, which is nice. Oh yeah, looking good. Perfect. Alright, there you have it. Pasquini Olivia 90 functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.